In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an online banking account with Truist. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be all set to manage your finances with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, open your favorite web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Truist Bank. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. They'll look for the official Truist Bank website link, which should be among the top entries. Go ahead and click on that first result to enter the Truist Bank homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you should see an option that clearly states Start Application. This is the beginning of your journey to opening your account. Click on it, and you will be taken to the application section. It's important to note that during this process, familiarizing yourself with the interface can save time and ensure a smooth application experience. Now you might encounter a question asking if you are already a customer. Click No to continue as a new applicant. This step helps streamline the process for new customers, ensuring that you provide all required information to set up your account successfully. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your zip code. This is crucial for Truist to provide localized services relevant to your area. Once you've entered your zip code, you may also notice an optional field for a promo code. If you have one, feel free to enter it here. If not, you can simply skip this step and proceed. Afterward, click on Continue. This will lead you to the section where you might be offered additional products or services. If you're not interested in those at the moment, simply select No Thanks, Skip for Now. This option focuses your application solely on opening a bank account without distractions. At this stage, it's time to provide some personal details. Enter your first and last name as requested. It's always good to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues later. Follow that by selecting your citizenship status from the available options. Accuracy here ensures compliance with banking regulations. Afterward, input your date of birth and your social security number. Truist requires these to verify your identity and eligibility. Then, you'll re-enter your social security number for confirmation. This quick recheck helps prevent accidental errors during entry. Moving on, enter your phone number and email address. These details will be crucial for account notifications and future communications, so make sure they are up to date. You'll then be asked to select your current employment status. Finally, check the box indicating that you have read and agreed to the certifications. This box typically confirms that you understand and accept the terms set by the bank. With all your information correctly entered, click on Continue. You'll now proceed to the account options where you can see different account types and features. Make your selection based on your banking needs. After making your choice, you'll reach the confirmation page. Here, carefully review all details before finalizing your application. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation of your new online banking account setup with Truist. Congratulations on this new step in managing your finances.